See here, it hooks on here, then it goes back here to this, there's a metal thing that holds it, and then it goes routes up to the back and it connects up to this throttle thing up here. If you look at the diagram of what the actual part looks like, there's a little metal thing that it slips into back here. And I don't know if you can, if you look back, way in the back there, you might be able to, no, you can't. Maybe you can see it right back there. See the thing that's moving? That's it. That routes back there and then it comes up through here.